What is up, guys? This is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos and wine pronunciation videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the capital city of the state of South Australia in Australia that is particularly famous for making some fantastic wines, including from the Barossa Valley, the McLaren Vale, the Adelaide Hills, Eden Valley, and quite a few more. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of the city of Adelaide? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Adelaide, 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 Adelaide city. It is a beautiful, laid back, beautiful, fantastic food and wine, fantastic scene, wine bar scene, restaurant scenes in Adelaide. I love Adelaide. Anyway, I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine and wine pronunciation. Ciao, ciao, au revoir, bye-bye.